Hello, today I'm going to talk about an American Standard toilet. It's called the Niagara. A few different features on this than there is on your regular toilet. This is a 1.6 gallon flush or a 1.28 gallon flush. It has no flapper inside. It's the tank itself. Hopefully we can see that. As you can see, just has a plastic trough in there that fills. There's a fill mechanism here, and all it is, the reason they call it Niagara is you dump all the water at once and just goes into a little extra large hole in relationship to other toilets, and the flush is as good as any. I haven't had any problems with any. The other thing about this toilet is that, for example, if your basement is roughed in, it's roughed in, and your standard rough in would be 12.5 inches off of your wood wall or your stud wall. Well, this toilet can actually adjust. If your pipe in the basement, if the plumber has actually made a slight mistake and the plumbing is a little close to the wall, this can be roughed in actually from 10 inches to 12.5 inches. It actually slides. What it has on the bottom, here's the bowl itself that allows the bolts in the bottom of the tank to slide back and forth, and they've put a gasket on the bottom, and this gasket just slides back and forth on here, and it's up to the homeowner as far as where they'd like it. Some people like a little farther off the wall so they can actually clean behind the toilet tank. Other people like it close to the wall, but it's a new, well, it's been out a few years now, but it is relatively new, and I don't think it's overly common. But it is ideal if you have a toilet roughed in the basement and it's coming up through the concrete floor. It's a little close to the wall. This is something that'll get you out of a bind for sure. And it can rough in from 10 inches off the wall to 12.5. Gerber also makes a toilet that can be roughed in at 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14 inches. And the only difference is in the tank itself. The bowl stays the same, but the tank, the bolts are in different positions in the tank. So that's 10, 12, and 14. Gerber makes it, and it's the Viper. Alright, have a great day. Hope it helped.